So I'm not looking too stressed out right now, and that's because I get adjusted more often when I have times of stress. So realistically, there's a huge urge for people to say, I'm so busy next week, I'm super stressed out, and the one thing you want to do is get rid of that appointment. You don't want to show up to the chiropractor because you're thinking it's just one thing off my plate. The reality is your adjustments help you process and deal with your stress even better. They help you think more clearly, they help calm your nervous system so that you can handle all of the things that you're trying to get done. So in times of stress, it's actually time to up your amount of adjustments, not take them off your list of things to do.